Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today I have a HS210F, and this thing is pretty awesome. So let's open it up, take a look, see what we get inside, and we'll go outside. We'll fly it around. We'll fly it around inside the studio. We'll have lots of fun with it. So, oh, that's the box that it comes in. Usually people like to see what kind of box it has, and on the side it basically says 2-in-1 land and sky. 360 flips, altitude hold, and adjustable speed. So, awesome. So that is everything that is inside the box. Let's just open this up. So right away you can tell that, I mean, it almost looks like an Indy car from the looks of it. I mean, that is like fantastic looking. So I think I gotta cut some of this stuff here on the side. Get the rest of this open. Nice and easy down on the sides. So yeah, it's got a lot of stuff in this little guy. So we got everything open, and we got a bunch of. All right, so right away in this pack, you got a bunch of little stuff. Let's open this up completely. And it looks like it has some ties on the bottom, so let's get to that. Get that untied. Get this untied. Let's put that box off on the side and get the rest of these ties out. So that is your drone, and I love it. I mean, I love the fact that you can tell it's fast. Look at how it has these propellers mounted. I mean, it is just ready for takeoff. Okay, so it's got this little ribbon on the side we'll take off. It looks like that was just the inspection label on that. Okay, so this is the remote. So it has this kind of like quick card on it, and I like that because you can see what it does. So this is your speed. So that's your speed switch here in the front. So this is your rotate left, rotate right, ascend, descend. And it's going to be forward, backwards, fly left, fly right, fixed speed cruise, and one touch key takeoff and landing. And then it just has some tips on how to get that started. Oh, okay. Actually, these are pretty important. So, slide the power switch on. So, the power switch is basically here underneath. Place the drone on a level surface with its head pointing forward. So, I assume that's what's going to be the head. And I mean, it looks like a Formula 1 car. It's crazy. Okay, so slide the power switch from left to right. So that's going to be on the remote itself. And then push the joystick up and then down to pair with the drone. Okay, so we'll probably know really quick how that works. So here's your instruction manual and your book. So it's important to go through all that. There's always a lot of information in here. Holy Cylinder does a great job in making sure that they have every little thing spelled out, so it's nice and easy. So again, just take a couple minutes, read through it, and you'll see everything that it does maneuverability wise. So let's open it up and take a quick look. So you got your table of contents, some safety guides, very important. A couple pages of those. Maintenance, your transmitter. So shows your propellers configuration, your transmitter functions, joystick modes, charging, pre-flight operation, pre-flight preparedness, pre-flight preparations, and then your actual flight. So I mean, oh, I'm like so excited. This thing is just gonna be crazy. Okay, so that's your one flight takeoff and landing. All right, let's get into it. So first things first is let's get into all the little accessories that come with this. and to give you kind of an idea, so it comes with a bunch of spare propellers, has your battery there, and then it has your propeller wrench. Basically, if you ever break a propeller, this will help pry the propeller up, so you can fix that, replace your propellers. Then this is the battery that it comes with. So it looks like it's like one of those micro USBs. So we're going to actually plug this in. It does not come with a charging block, however you can use your laptop, your desktop. I have a couple outlets over here that I can plug USB things into. So that is super helpful. It lights up red. I don't know if you can see that from the camera angle. My delusion is that probably go out or turn green when it's ready to go. And then take your little screwdriver and you're going to open your battery compartment up. And then you're going to open that. And so it looks like that takes 3 AAA batteries. So let's open up our battery pack. And I'll put them in one at a time. So the spring side is usually the flat side of your battery, so just make sure you can get familiar with that. So that is your battery basically all mounted in there. And we're going to close that battery cap up. And we're going to put the screw back in. And the screw is just a kind of like an extra safety feature that they put on these battery compartments, just to make sure that while you're using a joystick flying around, in case you hit the little lever on the bottom, your batteries don't fall out, and you got a runaway drone. So this way you can easily control that. Now let's get some of these out of the way. So I think we're going to try to take off from my desk. And we're going to see what this does. Put some of that stuff out of the way. And again, we gave it a quick juice up on the battery. So if you're going to fly for any length of time, you should probably definitely do that a little bit longer. And then your battery compartment, basically, it kind of goes in like this. You want to slide it down. And then you want to slide it and lock it into place. So you'll kind of feel it like click when it gets into its spot. Then you're going to turn it on. And that's going to be looking to connect. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Okay, so we're going to turn the remote on. And then we're going to go up and down, and now it's paired. That easy, pretty simple, okay? So, again, we'll just go through the process again one more time. So turn your drone on first. It starts blinking. Then you turn your remote, and it's kind of acknowledging that it's there. And then up and down, and then that's going to pair for you, okay? And then you are basically just going up, and that will, for takeoff, or you can use the one button takeoff and landing. And let's give it a shot before we go outside. Ready? Okay, so let's do the one button takeoff. And this thing is very stable right off the get-go. So very cool. Find out towards the camera a little bit. And this thing is like ready to take off. Very maneuverable, but you can tell it's fast. It just wants to go as fast as it can go. try a one button landing. Whoa! Alright, ready? The one button landing. So, very cool. Alright, so really cool. So let's go outside and fly this, and we'll be right back. Stay tuned. Alright, so again, just hit the power switch on. Then on your remote. That on. And you're up and down to parrot. Then your one button takeoff. And there it goes. Really cool. And then it does your 360 flip. Cool, do that. Go a little bit lower. So very cool. And we'll do another forward roll. Now let's try back flip. I'll get this a little bit lower. And we'll do another flip. Very neat. And then the one button takeoff and landing also does the landing. And then when you're ready for takeoff again, just hit the one button and up and away it goes. So Brian from Garage Hall, with your 210F drone by Holy Stone. Be safe out there.